essentially, the Oracle audit teams is essentially an extended arm for Oracle sales organization to generate revenue. So, and knowing that, you need to sort of have a look at your license sort of metrics, the contracts, but also how you interact with Oracle from a commercial point of view. It's not a good idea to just say, go to hell, Oracle, we are not going to do any business with you at all anymore. That's probably going to hit you. If you tell Oracle, no, we have no interest in buying anything from you this year, we have no interest in talking with you, we have no interest in meeting with you. If that's going to be your attitude, you might as well say, hey, please audit us.
Yeah, exactly. You sort of need to have a working relationship with Oracle. Just giving them the cold shoulder is absolutely not the way to go forward, especially not if you have critical Oracle systems. And I think that's very relatable. It's we all know just from a sort of human to human type of interaction and relationship that being on unfriendly terms all the time, it's not doing anybody any good, and it's exactly the same thing that's going on here. I've been in cases where clients have been fighting Oracle over years, and Oracle can wait it out. They can wait it out forever. But the person who's sitting with this case at the customer side, how can they turn it over to someone else? How can they hand this over? It becomes very difficult, very complex, and very ugly very quickly if you're not trying to sort of manage that relationship.
I think if you just go back to this slide here, this is really, if you want to know how to minimize the chances of being audited, just go through this list and all of these things. And it's about, hey, shaping up your licenses, but also sort of, hey, what is our vendor strategy towards Oracle? I think we're going to summarize that in a few slides here, Morten.
Yeah. So let's. I think if we're done with this, let's just move on. Yeah. So as a summary, so how can you prevent an Oracle license audit? Let me throw that back to you, Frederick. What is your first thought of that comes to mind? What would be your first thing to do to prevent it? Yeah.
So this is basically an answer, right? So I think if you need to have credibility on license management, and that's a pretty wide phrase, but it's like it is going to be how you communicate with Oracle when you're meeting them. It is, if you communicate to Oracle, if you put some money to go and meet with Oracle, and let's say that this is a license manager, or this is a contract manager, or this is IT procurement or someone, and they realize that whoever is responsible here for the licenses or the contract doesn't know anything about it. Yeah. Oracle is not going to say, hey, let's train you up as a customer and provide you with all the help that you can in order to learn more about Oracle licensing. They're going to think like, hey, if I'm meeting you, Morten, if you were working at the customer and I was working at Oracle, and I meet you and I notice you don't know anything about Oracle licensing or contracts, I'm going to go to the office. Hey, there's no way that Morten can have this under control. We might, and Morten is saying he doesn't want to buy anything from us. We might as well audit him. I think it's how you. It is, if you were to say, hey, Morten, you seem sharp. You know everything about Oracle licenses. You know everything about contract. And even you might even say, hey, yeah, we are working with this firm, or we're doing this on an annual basis. Oracle's going to say, hey, there's no revenue to pick up from Morten.
Yeah,
I think that's. Do you have anything to add to that, Morten?
Yeah, no, I think you're spot on.